Hey everybody, this is Sam, professional stuntman in the United States. Today I would like to share with you my experience of using the red light therapy device. So about 1 year ago, I got with a bad fracture of my right elbow, which was going to spell doom for my entire stunt career. So I tried different methods of Western medicine, and so I tried to go to Asian healers, but all these ways were just bringing me to the stage back when I had really bad pain and stiff joints, so I could not keep practicing, and that event was actually going to spell doom for my entire career. About 2 months ago, I heard about the new progressive method of red light therapy. First, of course, I was pretty skeptic about that because actually, in the opinion of a regular person, so how is this thing able to recover after so bad fracture when other methods didn't work out? But still, I started using this thing pretty much every day. It's in the morning, lunchtime, and before going to bed. So what I can say, this is bringing almost immediate results. First of all, there was very serious relief of pain, so I could come back to basic exercises, and in 1 month, so I was already back to my normal schedule. By now, I have almost no pain and almost no stiff joint, so I can say this thing works like magic. So I can highly recommend this thing for recovery after all bad injuries and just for keeping yourself in good condition. So guys, red light therapy device is the future. I highly recommend this to anyone. So thank you for your attention. Have a nice one.